Hello kids! Do you know good manners are very essential in our life as they help us to behave well in the society? They also helps you to feel good about yourself and your identity. Therefore, you can create your unique personality due to good manners. And this video about good manners will help you in that. Let's see how. Go to the bed early and wake up early. Kids, you should always go to the bed early and wake up early in the morning. With this, you will be able to complete all of your work on time. Saying good morning. When you get up in the morning, you should always say good morning. Remember, this is very important, alright? Say hello. When you meet someone, you should always say hello, how are you? And yes, of course, with a pretty smile on your face. Yeah, just like you smiled now. Using the magical words. Number 1, please. When you want something from others or if you want a favor from others, you should always say please. Like, can you please give me that notebook? Number 2, thank you. And when someone does you a favor, you should always say thank you. But when someone says thank you to you, you should always say you are welcome and always say it from your heart, okay? Number 3, sorry. If you have done something wrong, just don't worry, we all do that. Or if you have hurt someone, then you should always say I am sorry. So kids, with these 3 magical words, you can create magic all around. Talking to others. While talking to others, you should always speak softly and politely. And always remember, never use harsh words. I know you never do that, but you have to remember this always. Say, excuse me. You should not speak in between when someone else is speaking. You should wait for your turn or say, excuse me. You can also say excuse me when you sneeze, right? Keep your house clean. You should always keep your house and your room neat and clean. Always keep your toys and other things back to its place. Do not waste. Everything, yes, everything we have is a gift from the God. So never waste anything. Always be kind to the animals. We should always be kind to the animals. We share this planet with them. Hurting them in any way is wrong, very wrong. Try to protect them in ways you can. They can be your best friends also. So kids, using manners is something we do every single day. I hope this video will definitely help you to interact politely in everyday situations. So keep practicing these good manners. Goodbye. Take care.